I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials so fixes aren't wasted. Open Settings and check iOS version under General About. Outdated software can break gestures. Once done, practice the correct gesture. A quick downward swipe from the top right corner over the battery icon. Make sure not to start from the center. That opens Notification Center instead. If your screen protector or case blocks the corner, remove it briefly. You need unobstructed access while testing. Now you'll perform targeted resets and customization. First, restart the iPhone to clear transient glitches. Hold the side button with a volume button, slide to power off, then power on. If the control center still misbehaves, go to Settings General Reset and choose Reset All Settings. This preserves data, but restores gesture configs. Next, customize what appears. Go to Settings Control Center, customize controls, and add or remove. Finish with advanced software steps if needed. Back up to iCloud or your computer, then update iOS via Settings General Software Update. Many gesture bugs disappear after updates. If problems persist, restore from a recent backup using Finder or iTunes to eliminate deep software corruption. Make sure to test without cases, screen protectors, or interfering accessories. Troubleshooting tip. If Control Center still fails, perform a restore to factory settings and then selectively reinstall apps. That isolates a misbehaving app or setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.